For most of history, a small cut or a broken bone could end your life. There were no doctors, so how did anyone heal? The first rule was old but right: clean the wound, fresh water, then something to slow the bleeding. The forest was their pharmacy. Willow bark eased pain and fever, the same chemistry we now call aspirin. Yarrow slowed bleeding, garlic and honey fought infection, and certain leaves calmed swelling and rash. Honey and clean moss made a dressing that sealed a wound and kept the rot away. A broken limb was bound to a straight branch and splinted, held still long enough to knit back together. And against fever, they sweated it out: warm stones, steam, and bitter healing brews. They couldn't cure everything, but clean it, calm it, and give the body time, and more people lived than you'd think. Next time, how they read the sky to predict the weather. Subscribe.